Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set your Honda CRV garage door opener. First, ensure your vehicle is parked safely outside the garage. Gather your original garage door remote control. You will also need to locate the home link buttons, usually found on your CRV's overhead console. Make sure your garage door opener unit has a Learn or Program button, as this is crucial for rolling code systems. To begin, clear any existing programming from your home link system. Press and hold the two outer home link buttons simultaneously. Continue holding them until the indicator light, typically located near the buttons, begins to flash rapidly. This process usually takes about 20 seconds. Once cleared, position your garage door remote control 1 to 3 inches away from the home link buttons. For fixed code systems, press and hold your desired home link button and your garage door remote button at the same time. Release both when the home link indicator light changes from a slow flash to a rapid flash. For rolling code systems, after the initial programming, you will need to press the Learn button on your garage door opener motor unit. Once you have pressed the Learn button on your garage door opener, you typically have about 30 seconds to complete the next step. Quickly return to your Honda CRV. Press and firmly hold the home link button you just programmed for 2 seconds, then release. Repeat this press and hold sequence a second time, and if needed, a third time, until your garage door activates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.